Incidentally, this amount of energy that's in the food, it'll tell you how much heat and mechanical work and everything that's generated is what you read. When you read up here about calories, you're not eating something called calories, but you're eating that measure of the amount of heat energy that's in the food. For people who like to, if physicists always feel so superior and smart and so on, that people would just like to get them once on something. And so I'll give you something to get them on. They should be utterly ashamed of themselves because they take the same thing, energy, and they measure it in a host of different ways with different names. Absolutely absurd. Energy can be measured in calories, in ergs, in electron volts, in foot-pounds, in BTU, in horsepower hours, in kilowatt hours, all exactly the same thing. It's like having money, you know, in dollars and in pounds and so on. But unlike the economic situation where the ratio can change, these dopey things are an absolutely guaranteed proportion. If anything could be analogous to it at all, the only hope would be to say that there are 20 shillings to a pound, and that you have shillings and pounds, with one complication that the physicist allows, and that instead of saying he has 20 shillings to a pound, he says he has irrational ratios like 1.6183178 shillings to a pound. So, in addition to that, you'd think that the more modern, high-class theoretical physicists would at least use a common unit, but you can find papers with degrees Kelvin for measuring energy, megacycles, inverse Fermis is the latest invention. We don't need any more inventions. We should all measure the energy in exactly the same. We should measure the energy in one unit and let it be done instead of having all these different names. And it just shows that people are often also, they want to say, see, I should bring my little boy to show on the screen so that the audience will understand that I'm human. Well, the proof that physicists are human is the idiocy of all the different units which they use in measuring energy.